Hey Chase, how's it going? This is Eddie from Boundless SEO. Per our conversation via email, looks like we were targeting the incorrect website. I apologize for that, and thank you for updating us with your correct website, with your official website. Looks like this is it here. On this video, again, we'll we'll audit your site while comparing your site to one of your competitors around your area. This video will explain what you have going behind the scenes of your website and how you can bring in more clients, which is the whole point, right? I'm going to mainly be going over three things you can do today to help bring in more work. The three categories are content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website. I should say your official website. Looks like you got some content here, which is great. The more the better. All the links seems to be working just fine. You have some service areas here, services here, which is also great. The navigation is fairly simple. The colors are soft in the eyes. This is a good website. However, not enough content. Google loves content, just keep that in mind. Typically, you want to see at least 1,500 words of text content on your homepage. Depending on what one of your competitors have on their website, you just need to beat them. So if they have 1,000, jump up to 1,500 words. If they have 1,500 words, jump up to 2,000. Not only will this improve the relevance of the services that you offer, but also improves a level of trust inside of Google. Google loves content. There's no way around it. The more content you have, the more you appear as an expert inside of Google. So if you could add some more content, please do so. It's going to help you in the long run. In your 1,500 words of content, you want to start inserting good quality keywords. What I mean by keywords, I'm sure you're familiar, are pretty much just words or phrases that searchers enter into search engines to discover available services. In this case, landscaping, right? Just remember, the more content, the better. This way, Google is willing to place you higher in the search results. Now, for backlinks and citations, here comes the fun part. This is what you have going behind the scenes. So currently, you have 21 backlinks, referring domains, 49 organic keywords. This is very important. Organic traffic, 27. So in a monthly basis, you're getting 27 people jumping onto your website. This is not precise. There's no platform out there that gives you a precise number, so these numbers are approximate. Just keep that in mind. For backlinks and citations, let's start with backlinks here. As you can well imagine, there are numerous websites linking to one another inside the web. A backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with the industry or services that you offer, that's just going to hurt your website. You really want to be careful on that. The third thing I want to talk to you about are citations. The citations will fall under the referring domains. You're currently at a 14, but it doesn't show that you have citations, so you're kind of at a 0 on the DR meter here. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. I'm sure you're familiar. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them. That's pretty much what a citation is. And again, that would fall under the DR meter here. Backlinks would fall under the UR meter. So you're currently at a 9. And remember, just to keep these two at a 1:1 ratio, it's just good practice. It'll give you a better boost inside of Google. Organic keywords, 49. When we compare this to one of your competitors, the ground guys, looks like these guys are getting all the competition, all the attention. As you can see, they do have a little bit more content. Not a lot, but they do have more than you. This is their website here, as you can see. It's a good website. What they have going behind the scenes, over 41,000 backlinks, over 2,000 referring domains, organic keywords, over 21,000. Again, very important. Traffic, they're getting over 31,000 people jumping onto their website on a monthly basis. Let me just say, this is not for your area only. They do have other areas, so it's a mixture of areas. Just keep that in mind. Their UR at a 10, the DR 58. Not in a 1:1 ratio. Not sure what they're doing here, but they're still getting a lot of traffic. So jumping back to your what you have going behind the scenes. You did mention you worked with a agency before or a company, an SEO company. You should have had more, to tell you the truth, as far as the backlinks, referring domains, even the organic keywords, 49. So uh, I don't know what to tell you here, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Again, the organic keywords, let's jump onto their list of keywords that they have going. So landscape, Montgomery, Alabama. Looks like in a monthly basis, 150 people are searching for this keyword here inside of Google. For this keyword here, 50, 20, 70, 30, you get the idea. The whole point of SEO is for these people to find you instead, to find your website. That's the whole point of SEO, is to give power to your website here, but unfortunately you're not getting any. So Chase, this is what I have for you now. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. I would love to know your thoughts. Or if you're not interested, let me know that too. No harm, no foul. This way you won't get any follow-up emails and those annoying follow-up emails. Feel free to email me any thoughts or questions. You can even take a phone call to further discuss. Thank you for your time, Chase. Hope to hear from you soon. See ya.